Hello my dear children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are staying safely inside your house. So children, we are starting today chapter 3 from Math Magic. Okay, we have completed chapter 2 in the last class of Math Magic. So in today's class we will start chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Give and Take. So let us see what we are going to do in today's class. So in today's class we will solve page number 29, 30 and 31 from chapter 3. So this is page number 29. It is the introductory part of the chapter Give and Take. So here it is given that we have to help Kittu to paint his house. Okay, so next page number 30 and next page number 31. So we will do till page number 31 in today's class. Now let us proceed. So children, let us first write today's date and class work. So you will write class work here, and today's date is 17th of May 05, that is 21. So we will start chapter 3 Give and Take, as I have already told you. So let us read the statement. I am Kittu. This is my home. Isn't it huge? It has 100 rooms. Help me in painting some of the rooms. So Kittu here is an ant and this is a house of Kittu. Okay, so here you can see 12 has been painted. Here it's faded, but children, you can see in your book 12 has been painted with yellow color. Okay, so I start from room 2. I add 10 plus 2 to reach room 12 and paint it. So Kittu start from, these all are rooms of Kittu. Okay, so Kittu started from room 2 and I add 10 plus 2 to reach room 12. Now Kittu at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 plus 2 means 10 here to here 12. Yes, so Kittu added 10 plus 2, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 10 plus 2 to reach 12. Okay, is there a shortcut? Of course, follow me. We can jump up one row. Yes, you can see 12 is just above 10. Yes, so this is one row. First row, this is second row, third row, right? So 2 and 12 is just above and below. So we can jump up one row. Kittu can directly reach to 12. How? By taking one step. So we can jump up one row. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking, Kittu don't have to take all the 11 steps or 12 steps. He just has to take how many steps? One step. Here you will write 1. Okay, Kittu have to take just one step. So let us move. Now try one jump up from 14 to 24. We know that 4, 14, 24 they are in one column. Yes, 4 is in first row, 14 is in second row, 24 is in third row. So 4 plus 14 plus 10 equals to 24. Yes, now you have to color this room. So 14, yes, 14 is here. So here 24 we have to color 24. So you will use yellow color or you can use different color also to color 24. So here I am coloring 24. So in this way you will color. Okay. Now children, next is how will I go from 22 to 41? Jump from 22 to 42. See, 22 to 42, then one step left. We can write it like this. 22 plus 20 equals to 42. 42 minus 1 equals to 41. So how many steps did I go in all? You can see 22 to, we can jump to 32, 32 to 42. After that we can come, Kittu can come back to 41. Yes, so 22 to 32 plus 10 step. Yes, and 32 to 42 plus 10 step, right? And 10 plus 10 is 20, and again one more step it is taking, so plus one step. So how many steps did I go in all? How many steps did Kittu go? 10 plus 10 plus 1 equals to 21. So kid 2 went 21 step to reach 22 to 42. Now you could also go in this way. See, from 22 we can take one step to 21. After that 21 to 31, 31 to 41. So in this way also it will be 22 minus 21. Yes, so 22 minus 1, 21. So in this way also kid 2 can reach 22 to 41. Now children, let us do this one. Find my food. Try this on kid 2's room. Hey, I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. Help me find that room. The answer from the next page will help you find that room. Mark them in my home. So 10 less than 34. What is 10 less than 34? 24. Yes, 10 minus 34 minus 10 is 24. 53 minus 20 is, 3 minus 0, 3, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 53 minus 20 is 33. Number C, 11 more than 31. So you have to add 11 with 31. Yes. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 42. So in this way you will write ABC. Now number D, 11 less than 66. Yes, 11 less than 66. We know that 66 minus 11 equals to 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. So here you will write 55. So 11 less than 66 is 55. 62 plus 13. 2 plus 3 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 62 plus 13 is 7. So 23 less than 89. We have to subtract here, children, 23 from 89. Okay, so 9 minus 3 is 6 and 8 minus 2 is also 6. So here you will write 66. 10 and 40 more is, so here you have to add 10 plus 40. So your answer will be 50. 9 added to 28 gives. So here you have to add 9 to 28. Okay, so you know that 9 is one digit number. So you will add with 1. So 9 plus 8 is 17. So 1 you will write here and 7 you will write here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer is 37. Right? So the sum of 9 and 44. Sum means, children, sum means also to add. Okay, please remember this. Sum means to add. So when you add 9 plus 44, 9 plus 4 is 13 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so 53. 9 plus 44 is 53. Otherwise, I can show you here 44 plus 9. 9 plus 4, 13. You will write 3 here, 1 here. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 53. Children, J, K, L is your home assignment. So you have to do this in your home. So we will do till here, children. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.